Hello حبيبتي, كيف انتي? Hello my friend, how are you doing? And welcome to the second Maltese language lesson on this channel, where I'm going to be taking you through the numbers from 1 to 10 in Maltese. If you haven't already, I'd really advise that you watch the lesson that I posted before this one, which is all about alphabet and pronunciation, as that is going to help you significantly with this lesson. Nonetheless, let's begin counting. First of all, we have 0, and in Maltese we pronounce this zero. 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 Next we have the number 1. Weeget. 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 Number 2. Tnain. 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 Number 3. Tleeta. 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 Number 4. Erba. 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 Number 5. Khamsa. 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 And by the way, I think it's really important for me to mention here that if you'd like to speed up your understanding of the Maltese language by up to 6 times, you need to go to the description right now and download the free ebook containing the most popular Maltese words, as this is literally a cheat code to learning Maltese quickly. Trust me. Anyway, let's continue with the numbers. Number 6 in Maltese becomes sitta. 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 Number 7 becomes seba. 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 Number 8, tmenia. 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 Number 9, dissa. 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 And number 10, ashra. 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 Okay, and let's go through all of that one more time. We have 0, weeget, tnain, tleeta, erba, khamsa, sitta, seba, tmenia, dissa, ashra. Now, if you want to learn even more Maltese numbers and their pronunciations and the ordinal version of the number, so, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc., etc., go to the description below right now and click on the link to get access to my online Maltese language course, where you will not only gain access to on-demand lessons about more numbers, but also lessons on conjugating verbs, basic phrases, everyday communication, and much more. And by the way, don't just take my word for it, because both Tiffany and her husband Gareth have both said that they were able to go for drinks with their Maltese friends and for the first time ever actually be able to communicate with them, which allowed them to build a deeper connection with them than ever before. And that was only after being a part of the online Maltese language course for just 6 days. They also said that the online private community that came with the course was absolutely priceless, as they were able to learn from other students. So do not miss out on this limited time opportunity. Narak dalwat. See you soon.